Hey there! Looking for a large capacity refrigerator that not just cools better but also keeps your food fresh and hygienic? Then this is the right model. Introducing AI-powered Godrej Aeon Regalis 436-liter refrigerator. With a capacity of 436 liters, it provides ample storage space. Whether you have a large family or love to entertain a larger group, this refrigerator is designed to meet your requirements. First, let's talk about what makes Regalis truly smart. It's AI technology. Powered by AI tech, Godrej Aeon Regalis maintains optimal temperature inside the refrigerator and saves energy by adapting to your usage patterns and ambient temperature. With advanced sensors and intelligent operations, it's like having your own personal fridge assistant. While all fridges cool, this fridge goes over and beyond by disinfecting the food surface. This is important as our food like fruits and veggies change many hands before it reaches us. Although we must wash the food, most households don't ensure thorough washing. With Godrej's Nano Shield technology, now get 95% plus food surface disinfection. You can ensure the food in your fridge to eat. Keep your fruits and vegetables farm fresh for up to 30 days with Cool Balance technology and moisture control technology, which ensures optimal cooling in every part of the fridge and also retains the perfect moisture level in the vegetable tray. Control the refrigerator settings effortlessly with the sleek, easy-to-use LED display control panel. Without having to open the door, use the intelligent mode that is powered by AI tech to control the fridge temperature based on load, ambient weather and door opening frequency. Use the Eco mode to set the refrigerator to its lowest energy consumption setting. Looking for faster cooling? Use the Quick Chill mode. Effortlessly reach items even at the back of the refrigerator with the easy slide shelf. No more struggling to find your food. The movable ice maker can be shifted around depending on your freezer load or even removed when not needed, providing flexible freezer space. Thick puff insulation ensures cooling retention for up to 12 hours, keeping your food fresh longer even during power cuts. Enjoy bright uniform lighting in the fridge with the LED prism lens for easy visibility at all times. Effortlessly store all your veggies with the 38-liter large vegetable tray, providing ample space for all your fresh produce. So whether you like to stock in bulk every week or fortnight, or whether you have stocked more for a gathering, with 38 liters of storage space, you never have to struggle. With a 10-year warranty on the compressor and a 1-year comprehensive warranty on the entire refrigerator, enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Upgrade your kitchen with the Godrej Aeon Regalis refrigerator, offering high capacity, efficient performance and advanced features. Invest in freshness and convenience today.